Good day to you from the Sodium Attacker channel. I call my water department just a little bit curious. In every cup of my tap water has between 35 and 37 milligrams of sodium. That's every cup of coffee, iced tea, lemonade, drink of water that we used throughout the day. When we cook things that plump up, like rice and beans and noodles, and the water goes into the food, we don't have water anymore, but we've got the sodium. It's in there. Every cup. We make sauces, we simmer them, taste them, put a little bit of spice in there. Thickens, we add a little water, stir it up. Do this a number of times. Every time we do the little water thing, we are adding sodium. All that sodium has to be added up into the daily allowance of what you're supposed to have to keep you underneath that magic number your doctor said to stay under. Different medical conditions have different magic numbers. Got to keep under it. If my little tip gave you something to think about, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if you got a question. Put that on there. I'd love to hear from you.